What's up, shaky babies? It's your girl Sharon back with another poppin' video. And so for today's video, as you can tell by the title, we will be recording me trying to turn my red hair purple. Hopefully it comes out right, because you know this is not a common thing, but I always gotta be different. So before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also make sure you check out my recent videos, and I also probably put a link checking in here. But alright, so this is the bottles. As you see, we have indigo blue, violet gem, and purple rage. So what I'm gonna do is put this blue one on the red part of my hair and pray it turns purple, and then mix these two and go back over with it. But yeah.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 I wanna play deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my voice flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, and rock right up to the.
Okay, y'all, so this is how it came out when I washed it out. And now we're finna do the other brighter purple and mix those two. So hopefully it comes out a little more vibrant. I like it, but it's just not that bright. But it's still cute, huh? It's still cute. Let me know what y'all think. All right. See y'all in a bit.
Until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, deep.
could take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. In another woman that can take your spot, my love.
I still haven't watched it out, y'all. I'ma just add this little clip in the video. Ooh, hopefully they'll watch it out. I put Vaseline, so I should be good. Okay, guys, I'm finna wash it out. It's been about an hour, 45 minutes at least, or hours. Okay, guys, so this is the end result. I actually like it, y'all. It's brighter, as you can see. It's brighter than that black color it was looking. So like, it's actually pretty bright, but I also like that it's not like too bright, because I'll be honest with y'all, when I was trying to get this purple color, I didn't know what color I wanted in my head. It's like I wanted it kind of dark, but then I wanted it kind of bright. So I actually like this color because I feel like it's not too bright and it's not too dark. But yeah, this is just it. Watch out, I have deep conditioner in. I'm gonna let the deep conditioner sit. But yeah, I will show y'all it when it's dry. And of course, we know I'm getting a link check, motherfucking Supras, tomorrow. So we'll see y'all back with the second part of this video. Yeah, I just want to show y'all when I get to different parts of the house, it looks different. Like, so I guess different lights, it looks more purple. See, when I turn that way, it look big red though. That's okay, you guys. So my hair has completely dried. As y'all can see, now that it's dried, you can see the purple color. I ain't gonna lie, when it was like, when I first filmed the part before this, I was a little scared because I was like, yo, that's still kind of red. But now that I'm looking at it, it is like purple, and I love this shit. Like, I love it, like, because on natural hair, I feel like it's hard to do a color like purple, especially after coming from red. So I think it came out good. It's not gonna be that bright. I didn't want it that bright because, you know, you don't want to. It's already purple. That's already like attention grabbing. But now it's like this pretty color. So yeah, I think it's a pass. But let me know what y'all think in the comments. And this is just me recording myself.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See all.
Okay, hey you guys, I am so sorry. I literally meant to vlog my hair before I went and got the silk press, before I went there, but I literally forgot. So I have my finger on the camera now to do like a reveal because I got the silk press. And so I'm going to show you guys that in 3, 2, 1. Boom! You guys, this is the silk press. It is literally, it's a little frizzy because like I've been riding around all day, but this is the silk press. And as you can see, this is the color. Just do a little spin. I'm literally tall as hell, so I wish the camera could be up here. Wish I had somebody to hold it for me. And this is the length shape. Look at the motherfucking inches, boy. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Yeah, last year when I got my silk press, my hair was like right here. Oh, right there. I got proof. I'm gonna insert a picture so I literally see the growth. Like, y'all, it's the motherfucking press for me. You know you gotta get that press once a year and be looking like a bad motherfucking bee. But anyways, you guys, as you can see the color, as you can see when it dries, like it still looks a little red. Like it got like a dab of purple. So y'all know what it's giving me? It's giving me magenta. It's giving me magenta because like it's mostly red, but then again you can see the purple. Like I was sending it to Cole and I was showing my mama my hair yesterday when it was curly, and they was like, Shan, 1 minute it look red, then 1 minute it look purple. Like I'm gonna show y'all. But yeah, so I basically came to the conclusion that my hair is playing tricks on me. Like, do you want to be red or do you want to be purple? I'm over it. So, but y'all, despise that color trouble. The motherfucking press is the motherfucking bomb.com. I'ma tag the lady who did my silk press, motherfucking Perry VNBR, get at her because she literally will lay your hair. Like my bush is big. So I'ma tag her. But anyways, I'm gonna stop all this talking, y'all. I just love my hair. It's giving me bad motherfucking B. I'm doing too much. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off, you guys. Again, I'm sorry that I didn't record like me in the car on the way there and everything. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all thought about this video. Let me know what y'all think about the color. Again, it looks different when it's wet. It looks different in the dark. As y'all can tell by the pictures, it looks different in times. But I still love it, and I love the press. So let me know what y'all think about the hair. For now, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay tuned for more popping videos. And I love y'all. Thanks for the support. We out.